Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Study Squad. It is time for your daily dose of vocabulary with me. The session is going to be under 5 minutes and the words you're going to see here are taken from the Hindu. This session comes up every morning and it is a morning boost for you guys to start your mornings with a daily learning, okay? We're trying to inculcate this in your daily schedule. So if you want to be part of it, make sure to subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the tiny bell near it so that every day when the session comes, you all get notified. With that being said, let's start with the first word for today. The first word that we are discussing today is extort. Extort means to get something by using threats or violence. So you're getting something out of the another person, but you're using threats and violence to get that particular thing, which is obviously not that good or justified and legal as well. Okay, the sentence is the gang were found guilty of extorting money from small businesses. So the gang was found guilty because they were extorting, they were taking money from small businesses and they were using violence and threats to get that particular thing. Here we see a word guilty, right? You're going to tell me the meaning of this particular word in the comment section. I hope you all know it. And if you do, please answer it in the comment sections. Coming to the synonym, we have coerce, we have illicit, and we have extract. Here, the first two are important and I'm star marking those. Okay. Next word we have is requisite. Requisite means necessary for a particular purpose. So, it is very much required for a particular purpose. The image here depicts the meaning very clearly. Here you could see this girl is traveling and she has a boarding pass with it. So if you're traveling, you have to carry your boarding pass. So it is requisite while you're traveling. So this depicts the same meaning. The sentence is she lacks the requisite experience for the job. So she lacks the requisite or the necessary experience required for that particular job or the particular position. The synonyms are vital, needed and essential. The next word is imply. Imply means to suggest something in an indirect way or without actually saying it. So you're trying to suggest it indirectly and you're not actually vocalizing it or saying it. Okay. So that means you're implying that particular thing. This thing might also happen when you're trying to help somebody, right? But that particular person says, no, I don't want your help. So you'll try to drop real hints. You'll try to do it indirectly, but you will not vocalize it. Okay. The sentence is caring for and protecting the historic environment does not imply opposing change. So if you're caring for the historic environment, your historic beliefs, your culture, if you're doing that, that does not imply or that does not mean that you're opposing change. Okay. The sentence itself is very good. The synonyms are hint, insinuate and signify. Here the middle one is important and we star mark that. Okay. Next word is parity. Parity means the state of being equal. You're trying to be equal with somebody. But here this equality is especially the state of having equal pay or position. So you are trying to be equal to somebody or at par with somebody who has equal pay and you are both at the same position. The sentence is prison officers are demanding pay parity with the police force. So, your prison officers people, your officers that work in the prisons, they want a parity. A parity means they want an equal pay as to what the police force is getting. Okay. Also, the image depicts the same. Here we have dollar and euro. So, both of them are trying to be at par. So, they are trying to be equal in the pay. The synonyms are congruity, uniformity and far. Here the first one is good and important and we star mark that. Next we have the word for the day which is curious. I hope you all have curious minds, therefore you're watching this session as well. So you're going to tell me the meaning of this particular word in the comments as well as the synonyms and antonyms for this word. Okay. All three you're going to mention it in the comments and I'll be curious to know how many of you actually answer it. Okay. And participate in this video. With that being said, we come to the end of the session. If you do like this session, make sure to hit the like button. It might not mean a lot to you guys, but even single like means a lot to us. So please hit that like button. hit the share button, share it with any friend, any close one that you feel might get something insightful from this session. Okay? In the comments, answer whatever we ask. And if you have any other feedback, if you have any other query, then make sure to mention that as well. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel. With that being said, we'll end the session with a morning dose to you. This is a morning motivation. We're trying to inculcate this into a schedule so that you try to work on your vocab as much as you work on other subjects, because you might not know this simple vocab session could actually help you a lot in future and in your future exams as well. Okay, because it is an essential part when you're giving any competitive exam. So therefore, we have come up with this particular session. With that being said, I'll end this session here. Thank you for watching. We'll see you all tomorrow, same time.